Do asset protection trusts work? Hi, I'm attorney Paul DeLaurie. And if you're watching this video, you're probably feeling vulnerable and you're also probably confused about all the information out there. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about three things. What is an asset protection trust? How are they supposed to work? And the problem with them. So what is an asset protection trust? It's a self-settled spendthrift trust. And that means that it's a trust created by you and naming yourself as a beneficiary. Now, if it's formed in a foreign country, like the Cook Islands, for example, it's called a Foreign Asset Protection Trust, or an FAPT. And if it's formed in one of the states that permits them, it's called a Domestic Asset Protection Trust, or an DAPT. Why would you want an asset protection trust in the first place? Well, you would want one if you're trying to protect your assets from maybe an employment claim, or a divorce, or an IRS audit, or a frivolous lawsuit. And here's how an asset protection trust is supposed to work. The claim is that you can put your assets inside the trust so that future creditors cannot get to them, while at the same time allowing these assets to be distributed back to you at any time. That sounds great, right? The problem is that generations of US statutes and case law establish that your creditors can get to the assets inside the trust if you are the beneficiary of that trust. And now that's true even if your assets are in a, for example, Cook Islands trust. A US court can order you to have those assets transferred back and can put you in jail until you make that happen. And it's also true, this rule that I just said is also true if you try to use a domestic asset protection trust. The case law is clear. They do not work. So what's the solution? The solution is an asset vault trust. And that's supported by over 200 years of case law and statutes. And it's effective in all 50 states and in the US bankruptcy court. So if you want a real solution for protecting your net worth, book a call by clicking on the link below.